Now let's go through these top menu options which are available to you before you send an email. So first, you can see this archive button, which is basically if you don't give any email a folder, a specific folder, which I'll get to in a minute, then it'll be only available in the all mails folder. It'll be removed from your inbox. You can report spam from this email, and you can delete it here too. Now, this is a folder and this is a label, and these two things get very easily confused. In the easiest way to put it, a label is something where you can keep it in the inbox and another folder at the same time, and a folder moves it from the inbox to a folder that you've created. So it removes it from the inbox and it's only available in that folder. So let's see the label first. Let's say I want this email to be put into a label called test. So I can enter test and create a new label. I don't need to nest it or anything, so I'll just create it. So now on the left side here, you'll see a new menu option's been created for test. But before I do that, let's go back to the inbox. So this email is still in the inbox. If I go to test, it's now also in the test. So this email is available in both sections. Now if I remove it from test by just pressing this X up here, it is no longer in test and just in the inbox. Let's go back to the email. Now let's go to folders. Here's test, so it's been saved from where I had it before. And press test. While in the inbox, now it has been removed. And if I go to test, it is here now. So it's been removed from inbox and put into the test folder. It only exists in one space instead of both. Now if I click it and press X for test, now you can see that it's no longer in the test and no longer in the inbox. Now, it is the equivalent of archiving the email, which means that it can only be found in the all mail section.